So, it's my dear 10 students. So, in this class we have to study the new chapter algebraic part. So, this chapter is very important for 4 to 5 marks, that is polynomial. So, before that we should know the definitions of the monomial, binomial and trinomial. After that we will get the polynomial. Monomial means what? The algebraic expression having single term is called what? Monomial, that is only x, single term. Next, binomial, the algebraic expression having two terms is called what? Binomial. For example, y plus 4, two terms. Next, trinomial, the algebraic expression having three terms is called what? Trinomial. For example, 3x plus 4y minus 1 is minus 1, algebraic expression. If we equate it to 0, then it is called what? Algebraic equation. Okay. So, these are the monomial, binomial and trinomial. After that, we will get the polynomial. What is the meaning of polynomial? First of all, polynomial means the algebraic expression or algebraic equation having more than 3 terms is called what? Polynomial. It may be having only single term, 2 terms, 3 terms or more than 3 terms, all together called what? Polynomial. For example, 4x plus 6y minus 8. This is also polynomial. It is also called what? Trinomial. Okay. For example, 8z plus 1 is equal to 0. This is what? Polynomial. So, very important chapter. We will start the chapter polynomial now. Okay. Polynomial. I will repeat once again the definition. What is the meaning of polynomial? The algebraic expression or algebraic equation having more than 3 terms is called polynomial. So, in this chapter we have to study first of all degree of the polynomial, next types of the polynomial, that is linear polynomial, then quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. After that, what geometrical representation of the zeros of the polynomial, and next one, the relationship between the zeros of the polynomial and coefficients, and the last one, division algorithm of polynomial, that is long division method to finding the quotient and remainder. So, the first concept is what? The definition of the polynomial, finished. Next, what? The degree of the polynomial, degree of polynomial. Okay. I will take one example here, 2 to 3 examples, sorry. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, it is equation, equated to 0 means what? Equation, algebraic equation. Next one, 3x square plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Next, 6 a raised to 4 plus 9 is equal to 0. Next, 7b plus 8c square plus d cube is equal to 0. So, these are the some examples. So, what is the meaning of degree? Degree means what? Just you have to see the exponent. Here there is no exponent, means having 1. Here 2, here 1. Here 4, there is no variable here. Okay. Here b is the variable, c is variable and d is the variable. The b having 1, c having 2, d having 3, that is exponent. Okay. So, just observe the first example. The variable having degree 1. Here 2, here 1, here 4, here 1, 2, 3. So, degree of the polynomial means what? The highest exponent of the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Highest exponent. Here highest exponent is the 1. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 1. Here the highest exponent is 2. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 2. Here the highest exponent is 4. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 4. Here 1, 2, 3. The variable d having the exponent 3, d to the power 3. Therefore, highest exponent is what? 3. Therefore, degree of the polynomial is 3. Then what is the meaning of degree of the polynomial? The highest exponent, the highest power of the polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. Okay. After that, after degree of the polynomial, so we should know the types of the polynomial based on the degree of the polynomial. First one, linear polynomial. Second one, quadratic polynomial. quadratic polynomial. Third one, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So first one, linear. Linear means 1, quadratic means 2, cubic means 3. Okay. So what is the meaning of linear polynomial? The polynomial of the degree 1 is called linear polynomial. The polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. The polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. For example, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. The highest exponent is 1. Therefore, degree is 1. Okay. Therefore, it is what? Linear polynomial. Second one, I will take second one. 4x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. The highest exponent is what? 2. That is, degree is 2. Therefore, this equation is called quadratic polynomial. Okay. Third one is cubic. See here, a cube minus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So, highest exponent is 3. That is, the degree is 3. Therefore, it is called cubic polynomial. Is it right? So, what is a linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial? I will repeat once again. So, linear polynomial means the polynomial of the degree 1 is called linear polynomial. The polynomial of the degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. The polynomial of degree 3 is called what? Cubic polynomial. The next is very important concept, that is geometrical representation. Geometrical representation. Geometrical representation of zeros of polynomial. Okay, what is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial? Zeros of the polynomials means it is also called roots of the polynomial or solutions of the polynomial. Both are same. Okay, zeros of the polynomial, roots of the polynomial and solutions of the polynomial, all same. So, it is very important for the examination for 1 marks for multiple choice questions. Okay. So, they will give one graph. Okay. So, they only give one graph. For example, okay, this is first one. I will take 2 to 3 graphs or 4 graphs. Second one, third one and last one. Okay. So, there are 4 graphs are there here. So, this is x axis, this is y axis. I will take roughly. Okay. This is what? X and y. It is a curved line. Okay. What is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial? How many zeros of the polynomial the graph has? So, this is the question. Okay. So, they will ask they have given one graph and the question is like that. How many zeros of the polynomial? Okay, by using the graph. So, just observe this curved line or straight line. We may take straight line also. We may take straight line also. Okay. So, this is what? Another graph. This curved line or straight line, the number of times this curved line or straight line passes through the x axis is called what? Zeros of the polynomial. I will repeat once again, very important concept it is. The number of times the curved line or straight line passes through the x, only you have to observe x axis, not y axis. In the horizontal line is called what? X axis. The vertical line is called what? Y axis. The number of times the curved line or straight line passes through the x axis is called what? Zeros of the polynomial. Very important concept, very easy concept here. So, see here, this curved line passes through 1 time and 2 time. How many zeros of the polynomial? There are 2 zeros of the polynomial. 2 zeros of the polynomial. Finish. Here, so the line passes through the x axis only on single point, that is, therefore, zero of the polynomial is 1. Here what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This curved line passes through the x axis in 4 points. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, how many zeros of the polynomial? 4 zeros of the polynomial. Simple. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many zeros of the polynomial? There are 5 zeros of the polynomial. Finish. So, in the straight line, in case of straight line what? The straight line passes through the single point on the x axis. Therefore, how many zeros of the polynomial? There is only 1 zeros of the polynomial. So, this is very important concept for the examination point of view. So in the next class, we will discuss the relationship between the zeros of the polynomial and coefficients of the polynomial. Okay, thank you.